Hello friends, good to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I'm very happy to be here again today. I welcome you all to Lasso Journey Talk. This channel is always known for financial education dissemination to everyone, to all the viewers. Alright, so what I intend to share with you in today's video is how to buy crypto assets on Binance exchange site. How to buy crypto assets on Binance exchange site. Binance exchange site is a very popular and one of the top most cryptocurrency exchange site in the world. So I think it is the first on the coin market cap list. So it shows that it is a very big platform and avenue where you can easily get crypto assets provided you have an account with them. All right, so and this thing, it can be carried out on your mobile phone. For those that are less privileged, or for those that they don't have access to a personal computer, but since you have a browsing phone, that is, you have a smartphone, then you can easily go ahead buying cryptocurrency assets with your phone on Binance exchange site. So I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can get it done, because I need to tell you confidently that cryptocurrency is one of the ways whereby you can make money online. And before you can trade cryptocurrency, you need to have an account with a very reliable cryptocurrency exchange site, which Binance is one of them. So I will show you how to get registered, how to have a Binance account, and how to deposit and how to start trading on Binance with your mobile phone. Alright, but before I go further in this video, I would like to tell you that if you are new on this channel or you are here to subscribe, kindly do that now. Subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware or notified whenever I upload new video, whenever I have another financial educational content to share with you guys. Okay, and if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section of this box. And also you need to check the description box of this video for more information on how to get a link to register on Binance, to have an account with Binance, and other information that will be displayed there. Okay, so now quickly let me show you how the app is, that is Binance app. So depending on the device that you are using, so you just go to Google Play Store or App Store. So the app of Binance is like this. So this is the app here. All right, this is the Binance app. So you need to register, and you need to verify that this verification stage of Binance, so that you have full access to the feature of Binance exchange sites. So don't worry, in the description box of this video I drop a link for you to have an account to buy. Just start with your log and make sure that your login details are safe. So because you need to be responsible for the security of your crypto asset also. So you make sure that it is very secure, and to make sure you verify your account for you to have full access to features on Binance account, Binance exchange site rather. So after you have successfully logged in, after you successfully register your account, verify your account, then the next thing for you to do is to deposit. And for those of my viewers that are in Nigeria, we all know that cryptocurrency trading is currently unbanned. So it has been banned since the month of March 2021, but there is another way whereby you can get it done. So if you want to deposit in Binance, you are going to go through the P2p trading feature. So you go through the P2p. So you are going to do that through the P2p. So this is P2p trading here. So really it is a trading cryptocurrency between two users of this platform. So it's just like an escrow. So Binance will sell like an escrow whereby two people they are going to agree on a particular price and you are going to sell or you buy there. So that is another way whereby you can get it done. So you click on P2p, you deposit, buy you can USDT or any stable coin. So this is where you are going to buy it. I mean, if you want to deposit, you know that you are going to pay in naira to that person and you get your USDT, because USDT is just like US dollar, but this one is a cryptocurrency and a very stable coin. So you need USDT to buy most of the cryptocurrency assets on Binance. So after you've gotten this, then go back to the home page of Binance app. So this is the home page. So on their home page, there are a series of information there. See this ranking list. We hot means that the cryptocurrency that are frequently that transaction is going on it frequently. This is Binance BNB coin /BUSD. It means that Binance coin is traded with Binance USD, that is BUSD, is traded with BNB, and Shiba Inu is traded with BUSD. Dogecoin is traded with BUSD. BUSD is very, very similar to USDT because they are both a stable coin. So that is, what do I mean by stable coin? They are coin whereby they don't appreciate in value and they don't depreciate in value. They are very, very stable. So you can just use it to hold your crypto asset, that is to hold the value of your coin. If you are afraid of any future declination in price, so you can use it to hold the value of your coin and you later convert it to that particular currency again. So for you to now, let's assume, so you can click on your wallets. So we have different features: home, market, trade, future, wallets. So when you click on wallets, you're going to see all your cryptocurrency assets here. So you are going to see here, and in your portfolio we have different wallets. Also we have spot, funding, cross margin, and the rest. So if I should click on sports now, so in my own sports wallet, I have Naira, that is Nigerian currency. I have USDT, Shiba Inu, BNB, ETH, Tron, Mana, and the rest. So I have 177 USDT, Shiba Inu. I have 418,000 plus. I have 0.01 BNB, and the rest. So my total assets, my total equity value is in Bitcoin is 0.003, and that is equivalent to 221 US dollars. Okay, so for you to buy a coin now, let's assume you want to buy Tron Coin. That is TRX. You click on Tron Coin. As you clicked on it, then you select the trade pair. You know you have deposited USDT, so you are going to select USDT so that you can use your USDT to buy TRX. So okay, so now this value of TRX is now 11 cents, and I have 64 unused USDT now to buy TRX. So you can see the how the transaction is going on Binance, that is TRX last USDT market. So then here you can set the price that you want to buy. So it has been set to 0.11285. I can set mine to 0.10. Okay, and amount of TRX that I want to buy, let's say the 100% of what I have right now, that is $64, will now get me 642.7 TRX. So I'm just using this as an example. Okay, so I will now click on buy. So when I click on buy, so the order has been created. It has been created. So I just want to teach you how to get it done. So I have set a buy order, and whenever the price gets to 0.10, that is 10 cents, it will automatically buy for me. All right, so that is how to get it done. So I need to cancel this now. I don't have the plan to buy TRX now, but for the sake of this video, that is why I decided to do that. So let me cancel it. And also, if you want to sell, it's still the same process. So I have only 21 TRX to sell, but the minimum investment, the minimum transaction that can be done on Binance is $10. So 21.5 TRX will only give me how much? We only give me $2.42. So this transaction can't be carried out because it is less than $10. Alright, so I don't want this video to be very lengthy, but I believe you have gained something about how to trade in Binance exchange site in this video. Alright, if you have any question concerning how to buy, how to sell, or any other question, just contact me through my email, or you can just send me a message through just drop your comments in the comment section of this video. I'm going to reply you as soon as possible. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. This is where I'm going to put an end to it today. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, and if you found this video to be very meaningful to you and helpful, then kindly like and share with your friends and family. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, this is Lasogenic Beanstalk, and I need to tell you that Lasogenic Beanstalk is all about financial education and not for financial advice. And due to the volatility of cryptocurrency asset, if you can't bear the risk, I will advise you not to go into it. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video, and meet me in the next video. Till then, have a wonderful day ahead. Bye for now.